Hi friends, it's Miss Carolyn here, and today we are going to read an article from the month of May. It is lesson 5, and we will be talking about how baby animals look like their parents. And as we read our article, I'd like you to look for vocabulary words. So once again, if you see any vocabulary words throughout the story, go ahead and circle them with your finger or point to them and shout them out. And some of those words you might look out for are animal, different, feature. Feature are our eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Those are features. Baby, baby animals, that is. Same. How are they the same as their parents? Parents, mom and dad, those are parents. Right? Let's go ahead and turn the slide. Go to our next one. So first off, before we get started, what do we call a young animal? Baby or seed? Go ahead and point to what you think we call a young animal. That's the little tiny animals that look like their parents. What are they? Are they a baby or a seed? That's right, they're a baby. We call young animals babies. And our learning goal today is your job is to find one way a baby animal can look like its parents. So just think of one way a baby animal can look like its parents. So what was our learning goal, friends? I will remember one way a baby animal can look like its parents. All right, so let's get started. Baby animals. Baby animals look like their parents. They can look like their mother. They can look like their father too. A baby animal's body will be covered like its parents. Covered. What does that mean, covered? Let's keep reading and find out. Baby animals can have fur. Oh, so they mean they're covered in fur. Baby animals can have feathers. So they can be covered in feathers. Baby animals can have scales. That means they can be covered in scales. Show me how a baby polar bear is like its parents. Can you point here to these two things? It says white fur. A baby polar bear will have white fur like its mama or papa bear. Baby animals get their color from their parents. Baby animals can be white. Baby animals can be black. Baby animals can be many colors. Can you think of different colors animals can be? Yes, yellow, black, red, white, all the colors. Especially birds. Birds are lots of different colors. Show me how a baby zebra is like its parents. Yes, black stripes. Baby zebras have black stripes like their parents. Baby animals can have stripes. Baby animals can have spots. Show me how a baby cheetah looks like its parents. The cheetah right here, he has spots. Yes, a baby cheetah has spots like its parents. Baby animals can have 2 legs or 4 legs. Baby animals can have wings or flippers. A baby animal will look like its parents. Show me how a baby penguin is like its parents. Look at the baby or the penguin right here. Does he have 4 legs or 2 legs? Yes, 2. 1, 2. He has 2 legs, so a baby penguin is also going to have 2 legs. How is a baby animal like its parents? Remember our learning goal? Can you tell me how a baby animal is like its parents? Can you point to something on here? Yes, a baby animal could have fur like its parents. It could have flippers like its parents. It could be the same color as its parents. Now point to yes or no for the next question. Do you know a baby kitten or puppy? How are these animals? Do you know a baby kitten or puppy? Yes or no? Yes, I'm sure many of you do. Yes. How are these animals like their parents? How is a kitten or a puppy like their parents? Can you point to how they are like their parents? Yes, they have fur like their parents. They have 4 legs like their parents. And they could even be the same color. Sometimes not, but sometimes they are. All right, friends, that's the end of lesson 1, activity 1. And you all did a great job listening to the story. When you get a chance, go on to your student view on Unique and click on lesson 5 and complete activity 2. You will be finishing sentences on there. Okay, so that's something you're going to do on your own. Go ahead and review the story and then fill in those sentences on Student View Unique. And you can do that tomorrow. You don't have to do that today. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you all soon.